Welcome back to the part 2. That was some beautiful entry graphics for you. So as I said, for the part 2, I am on the highway. Let's do a pretty long POV. So other thing we need to talk about here about this car is the graphics. Like while reversing and all. I'll show you right now. If I get too close to this car, the cameras will pop up. Maybe at slower speeds. The graphics are very crisp, and as soon as you put it in reverse, the reverse cam shows, and it shows how the path is at the back, and as soon as you shift it into drive, it shows forward. And also it has got cool graphics wherein it puts the 3D image of the car and shows clearly how the driving is like. Like how the space is like. So as you can see, this is going to be a pretty long video because I've missed the exit there, not because I was lost, but there was some heavy traffic there, so I thought why not take the next exit. So we have got another 15 minutes of footage for say, but lucky me, I've got to enjoy 15 minutes more in this car. So thanking my friend again for lending out this car to all of us. Hopefully he's not mad at me for driving this car like a maniac, but boy, BMWs deserves to be driven like this. What a machines these are. So even this car has like many aids assisting us continuously and working in place, but they're not intrusive like how it was in Benz. In Benz, it was visibly intrusive and physically intrusive. The belt was continuously pushing, pulling, and the seat was getting adjusted, and there were like lots of chimes going on, lot of alerts popping up. But in this, all those things are happening, but very calmly and effortlessly. That is what is making me feel like falling in love with this car. Even at speeds of 140, I can hardly hear any air gushing in. Like, maybe, yeah, there is some air sound, but not too much. So at 140, not hearing anything is like top notch. Going to comfort again. Wow. It visibly feels relaxed. Very nice. So not at all feeling like I am in some SUV. I'm driving as if I'm in a sedan. Have traffic here. If this video is too long, I'll make it 2 parts as well. Thankfully the seat is ventilated, so it's keeping me in comfort. Lot of traffic today. I thought at this time there'll be hardly any cars on the highway, but yeah, there are quite a lot of cars. A new X1. Can feel my GoPro getting pretty hot. So overall verdict, it handles pretty well. It impressed me a lot. Just love driving this car. There is something with BMW. You just fall in love with those cars. Whatever the segment is, they're on point. That's the warning. The car thought that I'm going to hit that lorry there. So this is the skyline of my city. Very proud of it. Looks amazing in the nights. Complete chaos here. There are a lot of settings in the dashboard. Wow, that's a G-force meter. Pretty intuitive. I like it. Let us leave it there. So hope you like the video, guys. If you did, please subscribe. Thank you.